Hi, I'm Achille from Gelato, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up your billing methods with Gelato, how Gelato processes payments, and how taxes work with Gelato. Let's start with the basics. Signing up for Gelato is free. There are no subscription fees, and you are only charged when you make a sale or place a manual order, which is when your orders are transferred to Gelato for production and delivery. To ensure that your orders are processed automatically, you need to set up a payment method in your Gelato account. There are three options to choose from. You can register a credit card, such as Visa or MasterCard. In your Gelato account, go to Settings, Payment Method, and Add a new card. You can add prepaid credit to your Gelato wallet in multiple currencies, so that the balance will be used to pay for the orders we fulfill. You can read more about wallets in our Help Center. We have included the link in the video description. You can pay through PayPal. You link your PayPal account from your Gelato account settings. Simply click on PayPal, follow the prompts, and voila, you're all set. Let's now take a look at how Gelato processes payments for fulfillment. If you are placing manual orders through the Gelato dashboard, for example, if you are placing a test order for yourself, you pay Gelato for fulfillment and shipping during checkout, and that's the only transaction that will take place. All the costs associated with the order, product, shipping, and any applicable taxes are specified at checkout in the Gelato dashboard. If you have an online store connected with Gelato and customer orders from your store are imported into Gelato automatically, there are two separate transactions that take place. The first transaction is the one between your customer and you. Once your customer places an order in your store, they will pay for their order using one of the payment methods you have set up through your store's payments platform. Gelato is not involved in this transaction. The second transaction is your payment to Gelato for the production and delivery of your products to your customers. Once the order is transferred to Gelato for fulfillment and shipping, we will charge you by using the payment method you have set up in your account. The order is then produced and delivered to your customer. It is important to keep in mind these are two separate transactions. Gelato cannot control the price you apply in your store or how you collect payments from your customers. It is therefore important that you always have a valid payment method set up in your Gelato account so that you have sufficient funds to pay for the orders that come through and that you account for the fulfillment cost when you set your prices. You may also wonder how, when, and if you need to pay any taxes, duty, or VAT when you fulfill with Gelato and ship your products to customers across the world. Taxes are often a complex issue, especially when you're dealing with cross-border trade. But Gelato makes this easier for you, because we produce your products locally in more than 100 production hubs around the world, and therefore can send the products directly to your customers in the same country as they are fulfilled. This helps reduce the number of extra charges, customs, and delays. However, tax needs to be considered both when you purchase your products from Gelato and as you are charging your own customers. Whether or not tax is due and the corresponding tax rate depends on where your business is registered, the item purchased, the shipping country and the buyer's registered location, the country where your product is produced. We have several articles in our Help Center about taxes and VAT with Gelato, all linked in the description below. But we want to emphasize that we are not tax experts and we cannot offer any professional advice for your e-commerce business and how to manage your taxes. We strongly recommend that you contact a local tax professional for any questions you may have. When Gelato needs to charge tax on the transaction between you and Gelato, you will see the applicable taxes automatically calculated in the Gelato dashboard and as a line item on your billing invoices and receipts, as displayed here. Gelato's local tax IDs will be written on your invoice. We do hope that this video helped clear up some of the questions you had about billing, payments, and taxes when fulfilling your orders with Gelato, and that you are soon ready to start selling. Your Gelato journey is just getting started. and our team is available 24/7 to support you. Just reach out if you have any questions or need help getting started. Check out our blog on gelato.com for more tips and tricks to help you with your e-commerce journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on new videos.